Are self-critical thoughts and attitudes ruining your life? If you've noticed an increase in your self-critical thoughts and attitudes, I want you to watch until the end of this video because I have a free download that will walk you step by step to getting on the path to a more compassionate relationship with yourself. For the best stress management and self-care parenting advice, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to be notified each time I upload a new video on Friday. Hey Mom, it's Ophelia Woodbury of thehappymedium.com, providing you with essential stress management and self-care tools that work for your kind of stress. Now, if you've noticed that the mental reminders that you use for self-care have become less effective, it's time to create a tangible complement to increase your chances of following through with self-care when those mental reminders simply aren't doing the trick. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do just that. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a kindness box that will serve as a physical prompt for you to practice kindness towards yourself. Let's dive in. The first thing you're going to do is find, buy, or even make a box that's big enough to hold all of the comfort and self-care items that you might want to put into the box. You're going to decide what kind of things you're going to put into the box. So it might be books or scarves or whatever you think that will comfort you, that will help you to show kindness to yourself. Think about all those things because that will give you some indication of what size box you might need. The next thing you're going to do is personalize your box. Now, you can do this in a number of ways. There is no formula, there is no written set of rules as to how you can go about this. Do it however you want. You can paint it, you can draw on it, you can wrap it in fabric or paper wrappings, put buttons or sequins on it, however you want to. This is your time to be your most creative self and not worry about anything else. You can even name your box. The overall goal is for you to create your vision of kindness. What items or things might you have on hand at this moment that you can use to create a kindness toolbox? Comment below and let me know how something like this might work out for you. And finally, you're going to add tools to your box. This can be anything that provides you with comfort in those moments of distress, like specific meditations, relaxation exercises, things that get you moving and grooving, note cards that prompt you to maybe dance or exercise, call a friend, consult with a close associate or an accountability partner, things that help you to conjure up thoughts that you need to resolve some issue. So whether or not you need coaching or counseling or you need to connect with a support group, these are the kinds of things that you're going to put in your box. So the note cards will remind you of that. So I would recommend that you get just those regular note cards, ruled or unruled, it doesn't really matter. Things that you can sort of draw out of your box and look at and see if that's something that can help you. Things that get your mind working in a sort of creative way. I know in my box I have like a doodle book, I have an idea book where I can draw or write things down. I have music in there where I can listen to sort of some ambient sounds, some soundscapes, those kinds of things that really bring comfort. And it shows that I care about how I'm feeling and that I do actually want to get better. So anything can go into that box. Comfort items such as scarves or little small pillows. I've seen people put blankets in there. It depends on how big your box is. So step one, consider the things that you want to go in your box because it will determine what size box that you might actually need. So whatever will go in there. Some people say, I just want to wrap myself in a blanket and I want to close my eyes, or you may have, I don't know what you call them because I don't wear them to bed, but it's sort of a sleep mask, I guess. Some people have those in there. So whatever helps you to show kindness to yourself, the sky's the limit. Put it in the box. And when that time comes for you to go to draw something out of there, it may just be exactly what you need. So don't hesitate If it comes to your mind and you feel that it will help you, go ahead and put it inside. Now you know exactly how to create a kindness toolbox that you can use to be more compassionate to yourself during difficult times. And I have even more tips that can help you strengthen that kindness practice in my Ultimate Mom Self-Care Checklist that you can download in the link below this video. If you'd like to connect with us on Facebook, you can click the link below this video to join the Little Hush for Moms Facebook group, where we share up-to-date tips, tools, and strategies on self-care, stress management, or your kind of stress to help you on your parenting journey. If you like this video, hit the like button below, subscribe, and share with your fellow moms, and comment below to let me know how you have experienced this video today and what things you took away from it. And also let me know what content you might want to see in future videos. I look forward to your comments and your questions and responding to your feedback. And until the next video, see you soon.